Hey everyone, myself Bhavya Goyal, a student at IIT Gandhinagar. I welcome you at CodeChef and let's have a look at this question. So yeah, today's question is tour plan. So in this question, chef is going on a road trip and is trying to figure out how much it will cost him. So his cab operator gives him the following dates: a fixed cost of X rupees that will cover up to 50 kilometers, and every kilometer past the 50th has a cost of Y rupees per kilometer. We need to calculate that if chef's destination is Z kilometers away, how much will he need to pay? The input format will be given in a single line separated by spaces, the three integers x, y, and z, which represents the fixed cost for the first 50 kilometers, the cost per kilometer after that, and the distance chef needs to travel. In the output format, we need to print the amount that chef needs to pay in rupees. In the constraints, we have x, y, z in between 1 and 1000. In the first input, x needs to pay 500 rupees for the first 50 kilometers and 20 rupees per kilometer after that, and he wants to travel for a total of 29 kilometers. And because 29 is less than 50, chef does not need to pay anything extra, so the answer is straight away 50. In the second input, chef needs to travel an extra of 19 kilometers and the cost per kilometer is 20. So in total, the extra cost that chef needs to pay is 19 into 20, which is 380, and 500 is the initial cost that chef has to pay. So the total is 500 plus 380, which is 880 rupees. Now let's see the solution. So how many extra kilometers does chef need to travel first of all? So let's denote them by extra, and that would be equal to max of 0 comma z minus 50, right? Because if z is already less than 50, that means chef is traveling for less than 50 kilometers. So if it becomes negative, we'll make it 0. Now the answer would be simply the initial cost plus the cost per kilometer and the amount of kilometer that we need to travel. So it's simply x plus y into extra. That's exactly what we need to do in the code. So this is the code in Python. So what are we doing here? We're just taking an input of x, y, z using this complicated statement. What is the statement? So in the statement, we just start by taking an input of the whole line as a string, and we split that line with respect to spaces, and then map that list of string inside these integers x, y, z. Now the extra would be max of 0 comma z minus 50. Answer would be x plus y into extra. And that's it for this video. We'll simply print the answer after that. And like that's it for this solution in Python. The time complexity is constant. And now let's see the solution in C++. So we'll begin by taking an input of the integers x, y, z using cin. The extra kilometers that chef needs to travel would be max of 0 comma z minus 50. So why max of 0 comma z minus 50? So if z is already less than 50, that means chef do not need to pay anything extra. So in that case, it would just fall back to 0. Otherwise, it would be z minus 50. So if chef needs to travel 100 kilometers, he would need to travel 50 kilometers extra. But if he needs to travel just 10 kilometers, then it would just be 0. The answer would be simply x plus y into extra. And that's just what we need to print. And that's it for this video. The time complexity of this also is constant because we're just doing a very few constant time operations. And I hope you liked it. Thank you for watching. Bye.